Good afternoon. It's a nice warm sunny day in Pennsylvania, and you have reached Driven to Compete's channel. And we are en route in the Hellcat killing Mustang here to DGR Automotive in Dillsburg for some upgrades. And we are running a little tight on time. But we're gonna head over there, and I thought I'd just this is gonna be like a part one of a two-part video. The first part's gonna be discussing, waving to my neighbor, gonna be discussing what all we want to do to the car first and foremost, and then the second part will be a dyno video that will hopefully be up on the page within a week after this video. So where we're at here is 15 Mustang GT with a Roush, complete Roush Stage 3 Phase 2 package on it, and 727 horse, and I'm having some concerns about air to fuel. It's all over the damn place on this car, so I'm not sure what's up. So I'm going to have the car tuned. And I thought, while it's in, these coyotes supposedly have some issues with oil pump and crank timing gear there, so I thought I would replace those as well with some billet units. And so we're going to do some billet gears, and he basically has to disassemble the front of the motor to do all that. And I said, well, while you're in there, how much longer would it, how much longer from a labor standpoint would it be to put some injectors in it and maybe a throttle body and a couple other things. So he's like, oh, not much time at all, maybe another hour for injectors and throttle body install. So I decided to open it up a little bit. We're going to go with twin 67 VMP throttle body. I bought the IAT kit to allow them to tune the car better. I guess it's a requirement if you're using an aftermarket tuner, and it's not a Ford or a Roush tuning. So I'm going to basically start over from scratch. We're going to retune the car with a larger throttle body. I bought the ID 1050Xs for the car, so she'll have plenty of fuel. I'm running an 80mm pulley on it right now as part of the Roush Phase 2 package. I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to do a 93 octane tune because the E85 is not really readily available in my area. And I did pick up a PMAS cold air intake for the car. I've done some research. It looks like that is going to allow enough airflow through to feed that throttle body. So I'm going to upgrade that as well. So that's the plan. I have done some, I put the BMR Cradle kit on it for the IRS in the back of it to help it with wheel hop. Haven't had wheel hop yet because I haven't been able to hook up. Last night I did place an order for wheels and tires. I went with some Vorsteiner 10 by 20s in front, 11 by 20s in back. We're going to run a wider tire as well in back. I chose to go with a very aggressive street tire. I'm going to go with the Nitto NT05s. I'm going to try them, see how they work for me, and we're going to give it a try. We're going to see what we're able to do with the car. I don't know. I've seen dyno videos where these cars have put down plenty of power, and I've seen dyno videos where they were a bit of a disappointment. So I don't know what my baseline is, and I'm really, quite frankly, not going to ask him to do that because I have air to fuel ratio that I can't verify whether it is safe or not. And so we're just going to do all the upgrades, put her on the dyno, and see what number she's put down. I am very optimistic that I should see somewhere between 650 to 680 to the wheels, but I could be completely wrong. You're going to want to tune back in for my next video. I may be crying with tissues. on that one. But you know, that's the game plan. I just wanted to bring everybody up to speed. I had posted a video earlier on the channel about planned upgrades. I went a little overboard, I'm not gonna lie, between the wheels, tires, the suspension mods that I did to the back to help, the performance upgrades, and then of course having to do these gears with tuning. I mean, I'm pushing, I hate to say this, probably pushing, you know, 7-8 grand. So it's a lot for a little bit of return. Really, honestly, I'm trying to get this channel off the ground. I really appreciate you watching, and quite honestly, I'm doing it for the people watching the channel. You know, it's going to be interesting. So, you know, there's so many different types of dynos out there. Some guys are reading standard, some are reading SAE. I will be in my next video explaining exactly what the dyno is and how we're reading it to help everybody out. So I hope that you keep watching and check back. Thanks again. If you like my videos, please like. I would appreciate if you'd subscribe to the channel. And you know, this is basically mostly car based, and I think that with a couple gun here and there thrown in, I am a Second Amendment supporter, but that's another video for another time. Again, thanks for subscribing, and have a great day.